Here is a little flip through of Messy May, about the first half or so. I thought I would walk you through what I've done for the different prompts so far. This was coming home, and I love to include scripture in a lot of my pieces, especially when it's prompt oriented, and instead of following Caylee's prompt of making a book, because I'd already made my book, I just talked about or wrote about a scripture that talked about home. This was for the second day, which was compassion. Here is day 3, thoughts. Choosing to have joy is not naively thinking everything will be easy. It is courageously believing that there is still hope, even when things get hard. That's Morgan Harper Nichols. She has such beautiful words. This is opposites. Neutrality is a myth. You are either progressing in holiness or in wickedness. And I use lots of black and white elements for my opposites. This was day 5, which, usually I write the word on it. Day 5 was emergence. It says, "You've always had the power, my dear. You just had to learn it for yourself," which is a quote from The Wizard of Oz. And that we had to let background stuff kind of peek through. Regenerate. This was a prompt from Meg Journals, and I really loved how she used a stencil with model and paste above all of her collage. Usually I do it as base layers, and I really liked that. This is 7th, was quest. It was kind of drawing a map of your life, which I struggled with because I don't really enjoy drawing maps. So I kind of made it like little islands that make up some aspects of me. Wife, child of God, daughter, friend, mother. And I included Psalm 3, 5, 6. And I lay down and sleep. I wake again because the Lord sustains me. I will not fear, though tens of thousands assail me on every side, which also felt like a different interpretation of the word quest. Glimmer. I do not like using shimmer at all unless it's gold, so I tried to push myself to also use kind of silver as well, and then it was just too much, so I just did a swipe of gesso with a catalyst wedge tool, so it was really thin to kind of mute that shimmer, and I really liked it. And then I outlined my flower on top of that, and I just really love the effect. Fragile. These are all dried flowers that I glued down because they represented fragile to me. This was energized. It was using a whole bunch of different mediums and just scribbling it out, and it felt really good to make. It was quick. It was a very quick page, but it was really enjoyable. 11. Now I can't remember what 11 was. Clarity. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I don't even know what that says. Oh, a counsel. Now I see. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. That threw me off because I didn't know what that word was, but it's connected over here. Clarity was a struggle for me, and it's funny because lots of people, when they're reading scripture, will say, well, the Bible clearly states, and it is a long time running joke with my friend Christina and I and other people about when she would accidentally say it while she was teaching our small group, clearly, and we'd all say clearly, and so that's how I felt with clarity. I actually took something, clear instructions, and made them not clear, and because The Bible is not always clear, but it is important. You can learn from it. This was the prompt terrain, which was to make like this alien landscape. And now I am not an alien type person, but I really enjoyed the way, oh, now I can't remember who it was, the way she created her landscape with these neon colors. And she had used neon yellow and I didn't have neon yellow. I just had the pink. And so I used this green and this brighter yellow, hoping it would translate. But now I have neon yellow because it was just so pretty and I'm gravitating towards these neons. This was the 13th. Oh, I didn't write it down there either. Re-envision, where you had to take an old piece of artwork or an old journal page and re-envision it. So this was an old drawing of mine that I distressed and aged and added on to and splattered, and this was a lot of fun. Faces, didn't enjoy doing this. And I think it's because I was also comparing it to a prompt of faces that I did with another challenge this month that I really enjoyed. And I think it was more just the materials that I used for this that I didn't enjoy. Plus, I don't do faces at all. Like, that is not my forte. It's not something I usually enjoy, but I do like her hair. This was excavation. Caylee had a really cool prompt where she added all layers and then taped over and painted over it and excavated a quote underneath, and this was fun. And it used up lots of my little bits from this little container of bits, all these little pieces. Unfurl, I had to do a fern because they do unfurl when they're growing. They start as little curly cues like fiddleheads, are ferns that are all curled up, and yeah, I love ferns. And I loved the layering under here first. Transparency, this, I ended up gluing to this page, but I sandwiched these flowers between packing tape, which funny enough was also my Mother's Day craft that I led at Sunday school on Mother's Day, and the kids made bookmarks with dried flowers, and so I had some left over and I used them on this page, and I think it's really pretty. However, I realized I glued it, taped it in upside down, but that's okay. This one I loved. The prompt was diffuse, and we did lots of mark making on tissue and translucent papers, and then glued them down and layered them. And I enjoyed this so much. Having that neon being on the base and then slowly shining through in little bits. Yeah, I was very happy. So that's, oh no, I do have one more. And this was doorway. And I made a doorway or a little gate with the door frame and this little door, and I don't know, it's kind of cartoonish, and so I don't overly enjoy that, but it is what it is. Part of me was wondering if I should have made this to be a fold out, and maybe that would have been more fun, but I wasn't in a good groove while making this. So I don't know that I would have enjoyed making a flap, because then I would have had to make more stuff on the page for under that door. But it is what it is. That's the fun part about these challenges, is they push you, and sometimes you make pages you don't like, and that is really okay. So there is the first, I guess, 2/3 of my messy May, and I'll come back when I finish the book for a final tour. Thanks so much.